primarily the Tech Moms project is directed on the single moms, which we are going to train on how to be a virtual assistant. We have different speakers that will be tackling different subjects. So we have the VA, the virtual assistance training. We have the financial assistance training, and we also have the negotiations and communication skills training.
Malaki ang may tutulong nito sa akin. Yung mga tips galing from the coaches, ma-apply ko kung ano man yung mga tinuro sa akin.
Kaming mga stay-at-home moms, nabigyan kami ng chance to improve ourselves and have a career.
What I hope for the Tech Moms is it's the start of your learning journey so that you can become a competent virtual assistant.
Thank you to GCI kasi nagbigay sila ng opportunity na ganito.
Malaki ang tulong ng JCI Manila for sponsoring this workshop. Maraming salamat.